How to block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android phone. In this video, I'll be guiding you to block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on Android phone in quick and easy way. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser on your device and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this drop-down menu box, select the settings option. On this section, you have to scroll down and then locate the option for the site settings, which is under advanced. Tap on it and then you will get access to the site settings page. You will see various options, but you have to scroll down and then locate pop-ups and redirects, which is under content. You can easily get the option here, so let's tap on it. Now here you can see the option for pop-ups and redirects. You need to simply toggle on the button. Once you toggle on the button, you allow the pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome on Android phone. But if you wish to block, you need to toggle off the button for pop-ups and redirects so that it helps us to block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects. So that's how we block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on the Android phone. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.